大家好，我是莫兰达，欢迎来到我的频道。在这里，我给大家介绍一些最新的、最有趣的有关迪士尼世界。请你点击留言，开启小铃铛，并且关注我。如果对奥兰多迪士尼世界有一些问题，就在留言区里留言，我们会很高兴地回答你的问题。
Here we are on our way to Walt Disney World. Tonight we're going to Epcot. The weather is a little bit threatening, but it often is in Florida this time of year. This is the wet season, which is also the hot season in summer. But when the rain comes in the summer, it usually comes in the afternoon, rains heavily, and then goes away. So we hope that maybe the tourists won't be too many today. And we're here on a weekday, although it is Friday. This is the 28th of July.
我们去 Epcot 的路上，今天是2023年的 Epcot 美食节又开始了，是从7月27号到11月18号。
Well, here's the sign welcoming us to the International Food and Wine Festival of 2023. Just opened up yesterday. Of course, when you talk about food and wine, you always have to include ratatouille.
"据说这次有一些新的美食，我们去尝试一下。
Well, it looks like there's a bunch of chemistry lab items in the windows up here at Odyssey. They call it the Brew and Wing Lab at the Odyssey. Let's go take a closer look.
Interesting layout.
Take a look at the other items, the other food.
This is their featured experience. Let's take a look. Impossible buffalo chicken tender. I think it's vegetarian.
That's right.
Yeah.
Made without chicken. And then pomegranate and raspberry herbal tea with orange ice cream. Interesting.
Non-alcoholic. Because all the menus over here. Food-based experience. Oh, the first one is peanut butter and jelly sticky wings. The second one is orange cardamom wings. Okay, there is a traditional buffalo wings. I know you don't like wings very much. With the celery and the ranch. And the impossible buffalo chicken tender. So many chickens. Scotch bonnet pepper curry wings. And the last one is buffalo Brussels sprouts. Oh, that's vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
It's good for you.
There you go.
And the drinks that's the new one. It's called the pickle milkshake.
Ooh.
Okay, that's so cool. Sweet as a pie. I go to citrus, orange cardamom wings. That's so cute. Seems a lot of people here.
Top parts projections showing different dials, instruments, thermometer.
It's really like it's called the
Muppet Labs.
This is new.
Beverages. Don't be afraid to try something new, like our frozen fusion confections that... Oh, brain freeze. Keep...
是墨西哥馆的美食节摊位，我们来看看都有哪些好吃的。
Carnitas.
This is a pork and a fried corn tortilla with black beans, avocado mousse, queso fresco and the chives.
And then the taco de costilla is beef,
It's beef
rib.
short ribs. And a corn tortilla and salsa. Spring onions. That's interesting. And the third one is a dessert, huh? I never see that dessert. Interesting.
Yeah.
It's the pork one.
Yes.
And this is the beef.
Yes.
That's fried a little more crispy than this one, huh?
This is not fried.
Oh, this is not fried. Only this one is fried.
That's correct.
Tortilla, with a little bit of Mexican fresco.
Yes.
With they all have the avocado cream. This year, the food wine, they always give you a portion very small. It's called mini food, so they can have more chance to taste around.
Yeah. The saying is you're supposed to nosh, which the word nosh begins with the letter G. But you have many little bites instead of a whole big plate of food.
Just a little bit spicy.
Good.
How about yours?
Mine's not very spicy.
For sure, I feel that the corn tortilla is freshly made. Beautiful sunset. Nice. 今年的那个美食节的新的产品设计是那个 backpack。
Right here.
Good aloha shirt.
Yes, this year's one.
Oh, that's from Spooner.
Spoon. Oh.
Years ago, they were the only ones that did Disney shirts, and look at Spaceship Earth. This is a fun opportunity to see Disney's excellent attention to detail. We're looking across the International Lagoon here, but as we're looking across at the Morocco building, we see it looks pretty normal. See, wow, that's a pretty fancy building over there in Morocco. In fact, half of the building at which you're looking is not even at Epcot. It's Tower of Terror at Disney's Hollywood Studios. You'd be looking and seeing both of them. So they matched the color, texture, and the style with a hotel in Hollywood, California, matching a city with tower in Morocco.